Hey guys, this is Basant here and welcome back on new video. So in this video, I'm going to do a comparison between the two multi-AI models tools. Basically in these tools, you can use the multiple AI models like the Chatgpt, Claude, Deepseek, the Gemini in the one dashboard. So first one we have the Qolaba and the second one we have the Nily AI. So I have also created a detailed video on the Nily AI with the features, the tutorials and give you out the demo. The same video on AI overview for the Qolaba is also available on my channel. So if you want to check it out, the detailed review with the features demo and the tutorial how use this platform, you can consider watching these two tools. So now let me get started, and first I'm going to show you what are the features you can expect in the both of the platform. So this is the Qolaba platform, and here you can see it has the chatbot. So in the chatbot you can select the AI model which you want to use for the content generation, and there's the also a good part available, it's personal assistant. So if you have the personal assistant needed, you can use like in the graphic designing, in the event planner, brand manager. So it will be the basically trained in that specific area that can help you to generate what you are looking for. Even if you don't find any the personal assistant, you can create your own. Okay, so it has the premium AI models available with the context lens featuring. So basically you are getting the more details which AI model can what do for you. Okay, so like we have the Gemini 2.5 Pro, we have the Sonnet, we have the Perplexity Sonar Pro and the Reasoning Pro. So these are the premium models. Okay, and if you are going to individually buy and using these AI models, you have to pay around something like the hundreds of dollars every month. But here you don't have to pay because these two tools I'm going to show you today is available on the lifetime access. I will talk about the lifetime access and pricing later. First let me compare the features here. So along with the chatbot, we have the text to image feature available that lets you generate the images out of your text, and again we have the different AI models available here to generating the text or images from the text. Okay, then we have the image to image inheritance option, and here we can also generate the videos. And while generating the videos, I have found that it has the even the Veo 3 model available for generating. So I'm really surprised with all the things it has just giving us in terms of the AI models, different ones in the single word dashboard for the specific needs, whether you want to generate text, whether you want to generate the images, videos, and there's also even the sound or the speech generation. Okay, this is the speech generator and this is the text to music generator, and soon text to sound generator is also we can see here. Okay, so this is the Qolaba, and I have showed you all of its features what you can do. Now let me compare with the Nily AI. So right now you can see this is the Nily AI, and here's also you can find out all the popular AI models. Okay, and the best part what you will like, you can also use all these popular models up to the 6 at once here. This is the playground section, and here you can select the different AI models and compare their results. It's basically like something kind of the A/B testing. So you can see there's also the web access feature available that need to be enabled, and after that you have to simply just enter your prompt, click here on the send, and along in the 6 tabs you can just test out which AI model giving you the fast results and the better results. So this is how its AI chat option working out, and I loved it good because I can just test out the so many AI models at once, and it has around something like the 20 plus AI models available. Okay, we have the Grok, we have the ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, Deepseek, we have the Mistral, we have the Lima, and the other AI models as well. So along with the text generation, we can also generate the images. This is the section we have available, and in the image generation, we have also the popular AI models available. We have also a design tool section available. Then this is the email section available that can help you to write the email replies. All you need to just install the Nally.ai Chrome extension. This is the Chrome extension, and clicking here you can use its AI on any website. You have to simply just click here and a tab will be open in this side, and here you can use it anywhere. Whether you want to chat with the YouTube, you want to just get the summary of the any blog post, or want to reply a personal draft or the reply to your emails, you can do that. Then this is the one of the best feature what I like here, it is social media post. Here all you have to just connect to LinkedIn and the Twitter account, then you can create or generate text post, carousel post, and soon we have the video post available. You have to just simply connect your LinkedIn account. Then we have these other features available, like we can write or generate a text, we can chat with our YouTube videos, get the summaries or whatever the desired thing we want to get from the video. We don't need to watch the video till the full end, then we can chat with the PDF. There's also the humanized section available that is going to find out what are the AI text detected in your content, or you can also make it like the humanized version. Okay, then this is the more features, like we have the carousels, we have the post maker, we have the mind map, and there's the toolkit available. So this is the key features you are going to see in the both of the platforms. Now if I talk about the user interface, you can see the Qolaba and the Nily both have the good user interface. You can instantly understand what feature will help you out, but still you need to play a little bit here. So what I liked here in the both of the them, that Qolaba has the much advanced AI models in terms of the all the things. You can generate the text, you can generate the images, video, sound, speech, everything, and it has the premium kind of the AI models with the giving you all the stats in the single as well. For example, here on the chatbot, if I click here on the Gemini 2.5, you can see what is its context length limit. Context means how much the data you can give it to understand and give you the results on the consistency. So this is what its context means. And okay, and you can see even the how much the credit it will cost you to get the results out of that AI model here. Okay, so in terms of the image generation, there's also the latest AI models instantly will be added here, but let me tell you, you need to careful, because here it will cost you the much more higher credits in the video generations. But no worries, because even if we are going to pay them individually, it will cost us more here. Okay, so this is how the Qolaba I felt much better compared to the Nily.ai. I'm not telling you that Nily is the not good. In terms of the comparison, Qolaba is much better here. Okay, now let me talk about how you are going to use it. So to use the Nily.ai, you have to simply go to the chat, images, or the social post. Okay, or you can even go to the right chat YouTube or the chat PDF or the humanized. So basically you have to select any of the tools here that you want to use. For example, I want to just chat with my YouTube video, so simply I need to add the URL. So let me copy the URL of this video here. Okay, get back to Nily, paste here, load video, and now I am ready to chat my video. So simply I can talk about, or I can ask about, what is this video about, what are the key points. Okay, so let me show it in front of you. What are this video key points? And you will be amazed how fast it is going to give you the results. You can see, and this is the much accurate. I found it here. Okay, so this is how you can use it. Same way you can go here on the right. Okay, and here you can go to the new document, and you can just add the document title. For example, cars in top 10. Okay, so click here on the create document, and now you are ready to use its different AI models to generate the different things for you. You can same way go to the chat option here. Okay, so that's how this document is working, but in the chat is my personal one, and here I personally what I liked is its playground section, where I can use the two AI models side by side, 3 or 4 or even the 6 here. Okay, so that is the beautiful part. Even you can add the images here to side by side, getting the results. Okay, so this is what the Nily, how you can use it. In the Qolaba, we have to go to the especially on that feature what we want to generate, whether we want to just simply want to chat with the its chatbot, then we have to select the AI model. We have the different AI models available. Let's select here is the Claude Sonnet here. Okay, it's asking me to upgrade the account because my credits are burned or totally. Okay, no worries, but let me showing you the stuff. Then we have to select the personal AI assistant, whether you want to use that chatbot for the marketing strategy, content creator, expert copywriter. You have to select that. Even if you find any don't find any assistant, you have to click here on the create agent, and you can even create your agent. Just name it and get a tagline, a description for which kind of the stuff you want to use this AI agent, and that will be done within just few seconds here. Same thing or same way you can go with the image to image. Just upload your image, ask it what the changes you want to do, and it will just generate the image for you. Then we have the video generation. Just select the video AI model here. Then after that you have to add the prompt, and then you can also make the prompt much better using the magic prompt. Add the keywords and generate. That's the thing you have to do here. Okay, so That's how you will use the Qolaba. Now in the last, I want to compare their pricing because both of the tools available on the lifetime pricing. So let's start with the Qolaba. So it is pricing for $69. Okay, and if I go to the plans and features, you will be able to see all the features and the planning according to them. Okay, so in the tier 1 we will got the 500 credits and it's so much less, let me tell you that. And there's also the some features will be the limited here, but if you go from the tier 2 or the higher plans, you will get the higher credits, okay, and the all the features access. So what I suggest, if you are thinking about the Qolaba, which I think you should get it, because I know the $10 is the extra in terms of the pricing, but the pricing for the value you are getting is justified here. So you should go for starting from the tier 2 plan. Now let me compare with the Nily.ai. So this is the Nily.ai, recently launched on the App Sumo. It is starting from the $59, and in the pricing there are the only two tier plans available. The every plan is going to give you the full access, but the second tier plan is going to give you the much more higher credits. Okay, in the tier 1 you can see only 3000 credits and the 2 team members you can add, but in the tier 2 we are getting the 15,000 credits and the 5 team members we can add here. So even in terms of the pricing, I found the Qolaba much more value giving here. So that's all for today's video. I want to talk about in my conclusion. I found out the Qolaba is the much more has the better AI models and the advanced features, and you can even generate the more stuff from text to the videos. You can generate everything here, while the Nily.ai is mostly lets you do the generating on the text. There's also the image generation available, but that is the limited, that is not so much the advanced here. So I hope you find this video helpful and got to know which tool is better for you. So in the end, if you enjoyed, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe this channel to stay updated with all these kind of the videos, AI tools and the SaaS updates here. And if you want a detailed video on the Nily.ai, here's the video. You will find the link in the description. This is the detailed video and the features overview on the Qolaba AI. Bye bye, take care, and I will see you on the next one.